1984 Chevy C10 stepside. Has 20-inch American racing wheels on it. Belltech lowering kit. And a stock 350 with a turbo 350 transmission. This engine's really worn out. It's burning a lot of oil. Doesn't sound too bad though. Has a little bit of a tick. Not sure what it is yet. I'm guessing it's a lifter. Sounds like a lifter. See that, it could be some rocker arms loose. Had this truck since I was 21, 22, I can't remember. Sold it to my dad and just got it back from him. Don't know if I want to LS swap it or not. Fuel cell. Debating on it. Let's see what happens.